This is Jamie Boyman, Longview. I am here at the railroad overpass at Green and Nelson Street. And as you can see behind me, there's some water back in here. There was quite a bit more just a few minutes ago. Traffic is coming through slowly, just in case. But it has drained away. There was quite a bit of it just a little while ago. And as a matter of fact, it was the same situation over on High Street, the railroad overpass on High Street near downtown. Somebody actually drove through maybe 1.5, 2 feet of water and stalled out. A water rescue was called, but by the time the fire department got there and by the time I got there, the water had pretty much drained away because it stopped raining. Of course, we had some pretty torrential rain for a while, half hour, maybe a little bit longer. Police, of course, blocked off that intersection. They brought in their rescue boats, a couple of them in fact, just in case they were needed. They did have to tow the vehicle. Looked like a friend of the driver kind of helped out with a tow strap to get him towed out of there because the vehicle completely stalled. But they did have that underpass blocked off, and also they had this underpass blocked off until just a few minutes ago. So it's always the same story. If you can't tell how deep it is, you shouldn't drive through it. And like they say, turn around, don't drown. The situation could change. The water could come back up in both locations and other locations as well around Longview. So yeah, like I said, turn around, don't drown. If you can't see the road, don't drive through it. It's just not worth the risk. Severe damage can happen to your vehicle once water gets up in it. I had a record driver tell me once that more often than not, the vehicles are totaled. So also something to keep in mind. We'll have more later on KLTV 7 News and KLTV.com.